Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to be talking about two things. First of all, talking about like this post by this user right here, Greenman2234. Basically he's posted a picture of his dad's Model Y. His dad had a flat tire, so he was sitting inside the vehicle waiting for I guess for a tow truck or something, and then he got rear-ended, and look how bad it is. But very fortunate that his dad just walked away, you know, perfectly fine. So there's looks like almost like 3/4 of the car is already damaged already. But look, somehow like the wheel looks like it hasn't been touched. And basically his dad's gonna order a Model X. So a lot of people, you know, they're hating EVs. They think it's unsafe. It's not. But as far as a couple of videos that I did before, one of them, like one of the doctors drove off a cliff with for his whole family, and they all survived. You know what I mean? And look at this, you know, which is awesome, you know. So, and I do own a Tesla Model Y, and I really like it. There's nothing bad about the Model Y. So I don't know why there's a lot of hating, but just so you know, EV car is really safe to drive. Okay. But another things that I want to talk to you guys about is this something might be happening to the U.S. Market. So right now we're in the UK, and as you can see, this is the performance. So maybe all the money sign will be in pounds and all that stuff. But a little bit different over here. As you can see, in the US, they removed the enhanced autopilot. But in UK, I guess people can still order them. Alright, and if we go to all the way to the purchasing, you're going to see something different. It's going to tell you if you do cash or finance, all kinds of this stuff. So right now, here in details, it shows us that with this in UK, they're having a 0% financing. So that is something that we haven't seen before. I think the low was 0.99 that we have in the United States, not over here, not too long ago, a couple months ago. But check this out. This is in UK, 0%. Okay, and for 60 months too, with £10,000 down. So, but if you go into the US, it doesn't show that. Right? Check this out. The US basically our finance, the APR rate right now is 6.29%. and about $4,000 down, and assuming you have like really good credit here, 720 over, and our monthly payment about $1,020. But in UK, 0% APR. So I'm not sure if Tesla trying to push out more vehicles in Europe or in United Kingdom, but 0%, or maybe it's somehow Tesla want to start it in another country. Like usually we see something like this in Shanghai. They get a lot of promotions, free supercharging, or a lot of stuff like that, and then it will go to other countries in the United States. So I don't know if this is the case for us. So if maybe before the end of July we might see this, or who knows. But 0 APR, maybe it's coming, maybe not. Yeah guys, so that's pretty much it for this video guys. Thank you for watching. Take care, be safe. Till next time.